Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Savvy. In today's video, I am going to show you how to add a custom location on Snapchat. So without wasting any further time, let's get started. Okay, so the first step you have to do is to open up the Snapchat app on your phone. Okay, so the first thing I would do is click the camera icon to snap a quick picture. So now, let's say you really need to add a custom location to this picture. To do so, simply click the icon that appears as a twisted piece of paper. Now, click on location. Okay, so Snapchat will provide some recommendations. If you just want to add a custom location, however, you can always search and add a location like this. Scroll down and click on Suggest a Place. Okay, so there you have it. Now you have to enter all of your information. It can be anything like airport, bar, cafe, clothing store, coffee shop, gym, hotel, etc. and anything else. And once you submit it, Snapchat will review it and approve it, which allows you to add that custom location. And there you have it. That's how you add a custom location on Snapchat. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Savvy for more helpful content. And I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.